a quick tutorial on how to print payslips from the previous years in Sage Business Cloud Payroll. First, you're going to log into your profile, and after you've logged into your profile, you go into your company that you have listed there, and then at the top of your screen, then you're going to go to previous periods or previous years. There at the top, you'll have current year. If you are in the normal year, you click on the current period, and then you click on, it will have manage pay periods, and then it will have previous tax year. You will click on previous tax year. After you click on previous tax year, then you can go into the particular year that you are looking to print payslips for. Then you go to reports, and then you attempt to print your payslips on reports. Then you will select current payslip, because if you are, the current is going to be the last day of that year, which is February. You can say current plain payslip, and then you print that and save it, and then you will go to again to the reports payslip previous. So that means you're going to print the previous payslips each month. You're going to be going down on each month. First month you print, and then you save, and then you after saving into your desktop, you print, you save into PDF. You repeat the same process month by month for the entire year. And if you want to continue now printing again for another year, you want to change printing to another year, you go up at the top where it says current period. It will have the year that you are currently on, and then you can go to previous tax year, and then you will select another tax year, for example 2022. Then you will go to 2022. Your entire system is going to be on 2022. Then when it is on 2022, you can go to reports, and then you can go to payslips, and then you can go to current plain payslip, and then after you've done the current plain payslip, then you do previous payslips each and every month, saving according to your requirements. So that is how you access your previous payslips from the previous financial years. Remember, at the top, it's where you tell the system what year you are currently working on. By clicking at the top on manage pay periods, you select the year which you want to access. I hope this helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all the Sage Business Cloud Payroll tutorials that I'm creating for you. All the best. Bye.